Guys, I'm gonna show y'all a really unorthodox way to get this distorted bass vocal sound. And the reason I say unorthodox is because this is after you have mixed your song fully and now you're mastering. Engineers are probably gonna tell you don't do this. You're probably not supposed to do this. You're breaking the rules. But here's the thing: it's getting you that sound. Yeah, this is just something I discovered by messing around, so I thought I want to put it out there because it might be cool to mess around with. But the main two things you're gonna need to understand is mid-side EQ right here, and in Maximus have your ceiling if we're doing wave like 0.3, because that's what's gonna give it some clipping and give it that sound. And if you want to understand this a little bit more, go watch my video on how to master your song right here. I'll link in the description below, because that'll take you the process of what I actually do and why it works. But basically, once you got that master chain set up, all you do is you go in your mid-side EQ, you go in the mids, and you boost the lows. That's all you do, because look, this is what it usually sounds like, right? If I start bringing it up, and you notice it only affects the low end. But it's kind of cool that that even works. Yeah, super short, quick video today. If you don't know how to make mid-side EQ, go look it up. Otherwise, there should be a preset in here: filter, mid-side EQ, inside of Patcher, stock plugin, Maximus stock plugin. Go figure out how to do this master stuff if you want. And then in the master, remember that ceiling threshold, 1% ceiling, get that clipping sound. People are probably going to tell you this is, do not do this, because mastering stage, you're like, don't even change stuff by 2 dB. But I mean, it's getting you that sound. And to be honest, I'm not a real engineer, so if it sounds good to me, it sounds good to me. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, if this is a cool, thought-provoking experiment for y'all, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below why I shouldn't be doing this or how this is low-key kind of cool. Peace.